Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to find blocked numbers on your iPhone and unblock them with ease. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open the Settings app. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Navigate to Phone Settings. Scroll down to find the Phone option and tap on it. Step 3. Access blocked contacts. Once you're in the phone settings, scroll down until you see the Blocked Contacts option. Tap on it to view the list of all the numbers you've blocked. Step 4. Unblock a number. If you'd like to unblock a contact, simply swipe left on the number you want to unblock. Tap Unblock to remove it from the blocked list. That's all it takes to manage your blocked numbers. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.